Get in there. I'm getting my boom mic in there.
Crunchy skin.
Oof. Hey everyone! So we're here at Porridge Puffs. This is Min Pham's baby. She's an incredible chef here in Los Angeles. Part of Min's namesake is porridge. So here we are preparing a little bit of porridge. This is just a little fun rendition that you guys can do at home.
So yeah, what do we got?
Okay, so on Min's end, on the Porridge and Puff end, we're actually serving up the Negi Porridge. The ingredients, we have Koda Rice Farms, so it's the Kahuko rice. It's also filtered water, green onions, there's seaweed, vegetable oil, and a little bit of kosher salt. And we also have our Mirepoix, which is so incredible. So if you know Mirepoix, give me the breakdown, what's inside?
Mirepoix is onions, celery, and carrots.
Also using Koda Farms Kahuko rice, and there's an incredible kick of black pepper in here that just is perfectly balanced. This is probably one of my favorite things to eat on earth, hands down. Also Negi porridge as well, it just hits home. To top it here, we have our jasmine onion pickles. These are great, it has like a nice aroma of jasmine and they're just absolutely delicious. And then we got our shallot vinaigrette, and my personal favorite is the Numbing Ponzu. So we'll be...
What's the Numbing Ponzu?
So Numbing Ponzu is Min's take on a ponzu, but it has a numbing spice in it. So the numbing spice has this incredible kick and this almost like it's like this crescendo that builds up and then the flavor just cuts out. And then this is coming from our family's farm. This is the Shima Suzuki. So this is Pacific striped bass and it's incredible. Obviously you can see the stripes here.
Nice clean stripes.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna actually make our Negi porridge today, but the striped bass is great with both of them. The main trick with porridge is that you do not let it burn. So what our trusty tool here is a wooden spoon, and you're gonna make sure to always keep an eye to not overheat it and start crisping up your porridge. So to keep the bottom from burning, I'm gonna add just a little bit of oil. Origin, you wanna let that in?
Whole thing?
Let's do it, knock her out. Always keep an eye on it.
Okay.
Do not let it burn. So one of the most blasphemous things that you can do when cooking with fish is not put oil in the pan. This is a fish that actually can be cooked without oil on the pan, so we're gonna demonstrate that for you today. What we'd like to achieve here is keep it nice and moist on the inside, but also great and crispy on the outside. The skin crisps up incredibly well, especially when it's dry. And so to assist that, we're just gonna add some salt. So we have it on low temperature. Okay. And there is no oil on the pan here, y'all. You will be shocked. So we like to start with the flesh side down with this one because a lot of the oil is released from the flesh side and it actually creates kind of like a shallow fry for the skin side, which makes it a little bit crispier. We've gotten the skin side nice and crispy. Golden brown is the goal. Stunning, and you see the skin starts to peel up here. This is no oil on the pan at all. This is truly, I don't know how many times to emphasize this, that this is actually, just doesn't happen with most fish. Okay, we're gonna remove our buddies from the heat here. Ooh, looking killer. Crispy ground, oh my God. Y'all, look at this, incredible. Matt, can you give me a little scoop of porridge in each one? Ooh, looking killer. The last thing we forgot to introduce, this is the Umami Trail mix. It's a good, savory, obviously umami-induced situation, so. Oh, look at that. Ooh, it looks so good, I'm so excited. Throw some negi on the base. So a little more fresh negi on top of the porridge. All right, we're gonna throw our fish nice on top here. 2, 3. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, fish on top. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna put some pickled shallots. Freaking delicious. Let it live here in a cute corner. All right, we're gonna do a little bit of numbing ponzu. We'll put a few drops on each side. A little bit of shallot vin just to add some body to it. And Matt, if you want to add a little bit, just a tiny, put it in your hand. Oh gosh, there's nori inside. Freaking delicious. That's cool. And here we are. Messy, cute, delicious. This is a little bit of striped bass and some negi porridge.